Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And there will be something really special I'm doing today. I'm going to unbox a fidget spinner. So let's just get started instead of let's just stop wasting our time. Let's get started. So I already have this one, and it spins pretty good, but it doesn't spin as long as my other one. So this one, I'm pretty sure it will spin longer. It might. I mean, I already opened it, but I put it back in for you guys. So I'm just going to tell you that. Okay, so here's the case. Here's the bag. Okay, no one probably even cares. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Guys, take a look at that. Like, wow. It's really heavy as well, probably about 100 grams or something. We open up the bag, take it out, taking it out of the thing, or the bag, and here it is. So it's a pretty cool fidget spinner, and it took a month for it to get here, so I'm really glad I finally got the fidget spinner. And I was like literally I was literally dancing like all over the place when I got it. So I just really love this, and I actually got this yesterday, but I was at a different house, so and it was storming, so I could not go, it was somewhere around 10 o'clock, and it was storming, so we couldn't go, it was 10 at the night, so we didn't feel, I wanted to go get it, but my mom didn't want to go get it, so I had to wait till today. I opened it earlier today, and I just dropped one of my fingers. Pick that up. This is the inside of it. And I'm just putting back the finger pads back on, and there you have it. That is my rainbow fidget spinner. Make sure, and guys, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you think, and at last but not least, subscribe, but only if you want to. And I guess the next video will be around. I bet next video would be a subscriber special. So bye, and I'll probably be playing with this the rest of the day. And that's the fidget spinner. And guys, one more thing. Peace.